In tomato sauce. Today we are sharing a delicious recipe, meatballs in tomato sauce. It's very Italian, popular all around the world, and it makes the tastiest dinner that both adults and kids will love. Let's get started. Ingredients: 300 grams beef mince, 1 Sicilian sausage, or other Italian sausages, salt, pepper, and oregano, 1 small egg, 5 tablespoons blitzed Belmorso traditional tarallini, 50 grams grated parmesan cheese, Belmorso extra virgin olive oil, 3 medium garlic cloves or 4 small ones, 700 milliliters plain tomato passata, fresh basil, about 6 leaves, 60 grams shredded mozzarella cheese and rustic bread like ciabatta bread. Start by removing the sausage skin and adding it to a large bowl. Then add the minced beef and season. Next, add the oregano and mix everything together. Add the egg and mix to combine. It's time to add the grated parmesan and fold into the mixture. Follow by adding the blitzed tarallini and mix until everything is well combined. The mixture should be sticky but still slightly moist. Take a spoonful of the mixture and start forming your first meatball. Repeat until you have used all the mixture. It should give you between 8 and 10 meatballs, depending on the size. Warm a pan and cook the meatballs on each side for a few minutes until slightly browned. Take out of the pan and set aside. Once all the meatballs have been browned in your pan, transfer them to a casserole. Next, peel and cut the garlic into small pieces. And sauté in the same pan where you have browned the meatballs, with 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. After 2 minutes, pour the passata and mix well. Lower the heat, season, add the basil leaves and leave to simmer for 20 minutes. In the meantime, shred your mozzarella unless you are using a pre-shredded one. Once the tomato sauce is ready, pour it over the meatballs in the casserole. Spread the shredded mozzarella cheese and bake your meatballs in tomato sauce in a preheated oven for 20 minutes. Once out of the oven, serve and enjoy with a few slices of ciabatta bread. If you are cooking the meatballs in tomato sauce for one person, feel free to place the leftovers in a container and store in the freezer. You can also make the same recipe over the stove, by simply adding the meatballs in after the basil and leaving them to simmer in the sauce for 20 minutes with a lid on. Buon appetito!